Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ChatGPT Insights, where we explore the intersection of technology and humanity. Today, we're going to delve into a fascinating story about artificial intelligence, testing, and trust. Imagine you're at a restaurant and someone orders for you. You have no idea what they want, but you trust that the waiter will know exactly what's best for you. That's kind of like what happens when we rely on AI systems to write code for us. We throw them some inputs, and they spit out outputs that supposedly work just fine. But here's the thing, nobody cares how it works, as long as it works, right? Well, not quite. When it comes to something as critical as software development, understanding the inner workings of AI systems is crucial. And that's exactly what happened in a recent experiment where an AI system was tasked with writing tests for Java classes. The AI system, which we'll call ChatGPT, no relation, was given a task to write tests for two different classes, Java util, ArrayList, and ArrayBackedList. Now, these are both well-established libraries in the world of programming, but they're not exactly simple things to get right. So, what did ChatGPT come up with? Well, let's take a look at the code. When it comes to testing ArrayList, ChatGPT wrote some interesting tests. There were test cases that imported classes from JUnit, but also used the same class for both input and output. And get this, there were even tests that used different data types, like string, just because they could. Now, at first glance, these might seem like minor issues, but in reality, they're symptoms of a bigger problem. When an AI system writes code for us, it's not just about getting the output right. It's also about understanding how the system works and what its limitations are. The creator of ArrayBackedList took this to heart and wrote their own tests, testing each case multiple times until they got it right. And that's exactly what we should be doing when working with AI systems, not just relying on them to produce output, but also understanding how they work and what their strengths and weaknesses are. So, the takeaway here is that while AI systems can be incredibly powerful tools, we need to remember that there's more to programming than just getting things done. We need to understand the inner workings of these systems, test them thoroughly, and make sure they're working correctly before relying on them in production code. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for joining us at ChatGPT Insights, where we explore the intersection of technology and humanity. Until next time, stay curious, keep learning, and remember that nobody cares how it works, as long as it works. But understanding how it works is what really matters.